how to make only following each other can message you on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only following each other can message you on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and click settings, and now click this one, privacy, and here you will find who can message me. Click on it and select here this one. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.